Hello friends, welcome to Brain Academy, and today we are going to know that should we buy an iPhone 6s in 2018 or not. So let's get started. So let's first discuss the features and specs of this device. This device is having an 32 GB of internal storage. It comes with Apple earpods and the lightning cable. Also, this phone is having a 4.7-inch HD plus display. The display quality is really good. Also, this phone is having a 12 megapixel camera at the back, and at the front this phone is having a 5 megapixel shooter. This phone comes with an lithium ion battery. It is having around 17-15 mAh battery, which is easily last for a typical working day. But after the update of iOS 12, this phone is running better and the battery life has improved surprisingly. This phone is currently running on iOS 12, so I've also got an update of the iOS 12 public beta 2. This phone is having an A9 chipset, which is a quite fast chipset. If you haven't seen my speed test comparison, then you must watch it. This phone is in space gray model, so the quality of the phone is really good. It can easily compete with the high-end models as well. This phone is having a fingerprint sensor which is quite fast as well. So if the phone is, as you can see, the phone is really fast and there is no hanging issue as such. This model is 32 GB variant, so enough storage available for your apps, and in day-to-day usage you won't find any lag or as such any issue. The gaming performance of this phone is also very good. You can easily play high-end games like PUBG and Asphalt 8. This phone can easily tackle many of the applications as well, like that are released in 2018. So another feature of this phone is the 3D touch or the pressure touch. In this feature you can easily open some shortcut type of things through which you can easily open some of the quick settings. Also you can use it in camera as well, like you want to take a selfie or you want to record some videos, you can easily do that. Or if you want to save any number, you want to create a new contact, so this is a great feature which you can use. The body of this phone is also really nice. The iPhone has been using the 7000 aluminum series, which is quite premium as compared to the iPhone 6. So if you are thinking to buy an iPhone 6, better go with the iPhone 6s model, because this one is not gonna bend and this is future proof phone. This phone comes with a 2 GB of memory, so you won't find any lag or any sort of hanging issues in this phone. It supports Wi-Fi bands as well, so you can either use it as a hotspot or you can connect Wi-Fi devices. This phone also supports 4G LTE, so it can easily be comparable with any of the 4G devices that are present in the market right now. Easily you can get the notifications and updates. The sound of this device is really nice, and the screen on time you can easily get around 4.5 hours to 5 hours on daily usage, depending on how much you play games and how much you watch YouTube videos and other stuff. The general performance of this device is really nice. This device is currently running on iOS 12. This device is really very compact to hold in a single hand. You can get a headphone jack which is not available in the iPhone 7 devices, a USB Type-C charger, a speaker grill, a power button, and on the left hand side you get a switch which you can use to open the ring or silent it. Also you can silent it through the volume rocker. The multitasking of this phone is really good. It can easily hold many of the applications which are running in the background. As you can see, if you haven't seen my speed test comparison with the OnePlus 6, then you must go and watch it. So if you are planning to buy an iPhone, better go with the iPhone 6s. If you want to go with an iPhone 7, it is gonna cost you around $200 more. So better go with this phone because it is also having an headphone jack. If that is your priority, better go with the iPhone 6s, because iPhone 6 is also a previous model, but it is not as powerful as the iPhone 6s. This model is more powerful, more compact, and more in terms of speed and life. The camera is also better as compared to iPhone 6. As you can see, it is having a lot of features, so you can easily go with the iPhone 6s. I hope you like the video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any comments, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.